This is bird day. We just seen a Pileated Woodpecker out there. Now we're zooming in on Mr. Owl. See him, Rodney?
What here, Rodney?
Can you believe that thing? Lisa.
That's so cool. That's a killer camera. Man, he zoomed it right in.
Yeah, get that there.
He's got his head turned the other way. There he is.
Can you see me on my camera?
Yeah, I did.
I'll show you. I'll zoom out.
When you look past the bridge there, let's go up.
See where it's. Look here, Lisa. In the camera, see it? See where the creek is right there? That little brown part. Just go straight up.
That branch is your way.
That's a good eye. I can tell if it's a boy or a girl with this camera.
If you look straight over the railing, that red thing is.
Yeah.
It's kind of, there's a branch sticking out over the creek.
It's turning its head right now.
Is it left or right? Left.
You know what's funnier than an owl?
A big deal with that?
Well, that'd be good. That's what I'm waiting for. Is the audience.
Hello.
Can't see Rodney up there.
Did you see it yet, Lisa?
No, I haven't seen it.